Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just minutes? Let me show you how with Canva. So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creation with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, you are in the right place. I will get you step by step through the process so you can start creating eye-catching content that grabs attention. Let's get started. So first of all I have to do is open my browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and videos. With its drag-and-drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts, Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization, enabling for various purposes from marketing to personal projects. So right now all I have to do is just click over sign up and you write your email address and your password, then you will find this page. So the first thing that you have to do is just click over here and you search about short videos. For example, you select YouTube. As you can see, we have it here. You select the one you want. So if you want to select the niche that you want, you click over all filters here. You select if you want to of business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards and invitations. For example, the first one, then you select if is it docs, presentation, whiteboard, then we have business card, flyers, photo types, mind maps, websites, and we have various things. Then we have social media, like Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, TikTok videos, or your stories and other things. Then we have education here, like subject, grade, resource type, video here. Then we have marketing, print products, and the last one, cards and invitations. So we'll select the one you want. Then we have style also, have modern, minimalist, then we have the 10 if business, blog, marketing, print, then language also, feature like animation, video, audio, then we have grade here, then we have subject also, and we have here topic, and the last one we have the price. So I'll select here the free one, and you select the color here, and you click over apply once you're done. Then you will find the niche that you already chose. So we have here only 10,000 templates, so you select the one you want. For example, I will select this one. Then I will click over customize the template. Once you do that, you will find other page which is this. So I will show you how you can create a short videos. So first of all, we have it here. You can zoom like that. So as you can see, then you can create another page if you want, and you can also modify this one. For example, I will add these things. I will just, this is my short videos as you can see. So here we have it. Then we have here design. You can design here, choose the template that you want. For example, I choose this one. If I don't like it, I will select another one. For example, if I want this one, this is it. And if I add another page, and I will just select here the color. For example, this one, I will select the color firstly. I will select, for example, white. I will let it like that. Then I will select the design I want. For example, I will select another one here. Like I will select this one. And I will put it here. So here we have the size. And this is it. And here we have it. Then here we have, if you want to add comment, if you want to select this one, so I will write here create, for example, a short video, so I will just put the size like that, and I will put it in like that. short videos like that. They'll put it here like that. Alright, great. So this is it. Then if you want to add, for example, audio, or if you want to add something here, for example, here we have volume, apply to all videos on page and as voice. So you select the thing that you have. You can also trim. For example, here we have, I will just like that, and I will just click over done. Then we have here, if you want to edit, BGM remover, audio, we have playback here, photo style, corner rounding, and we have crop, flip, we have transparency also, and here we have design, elements, text. If you want to add a text, magic rewrite, and we have here add your brand fonts and default text like add the heading like that, add the subheading, and add a little bit of body text. Then if you want us this font combinations, sorry, then we have the pro one and we have here the free one, so it's like this one. Then we have your brand, like if you wanna upgrade some logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have your upload. You can upload whatever you want, for example, images, videos, audio that you already downloaded and you have it in your computer. Then if you want to record yourself also, I will click over record and I will click over allow again, as you can see. Then here we have the studio, so you can just get recorded 3 2 and 1 and you get started recording like that. Then if you want to just done, you click over here, then you click over save and exit. And if you want to exit studio, but before you have to delete it and you confirm your deletion, then I will click over exit studio. Then we have here draw. For this one we have here a various pencil. You choose the one you want for it and then you draw here like that, as you can see. If you want to delete it, you click over here and you delete this one. And if you come back in the first, you can just click over here and you come back, as you can see. This is how it looks firstly. Then also we have here, if you wanna scroll view or if you wanna grid view, and we have also here preview, and here we have other things. So this is it. And this is how you can create short videos. You can just get started. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to create stunning videos using Canva. Even if you are a complete beginner, remember the key is to experiment and have fun with your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Happy designing!